We love the color scheme. We love the Jamaica screen out, but it's so chic. The Jamaica Patty Company is in Covent Garden, which is obviously a hot spot in town, and they have opened a very slick, modern, really takeaway eatery where they serve really only patties, but with all these new ingredients. So curry goat patty, jerk chicken patty, regular chicken patty, the regular old beef patty, and something like ackee and saltfish patty.
What we would like to create is a train of JPC, and it's a patty concept, just you know, for people to come in and taste how good patty is, and you know, to bring it to an international audience, really.
Yes, of course.
And everything in here is quality Jamaican brand.
Yeah, quality Jamaican brand, and you do a lot of stuff straight from Jamaica. Like very, it's authentic to Jamaica.
It has to be Jamaica. If it's not Jamaican, it's not in here. Sorry.
Yeah, we agree. Really the like fresh flavor of Jamaica. We love that.
I'm seeing you have coconut. So do you have coconut water and all that kind of stuff here?
Everything. All the juices are fresh. We got coconut water. We got mango juice and orange juice. That's all made freshly every day.
Oh, love that.
Even the soursop juice.
Even you showed us the rubbish of it. And then we know that you have soups. You do all kinds of patties with lots of different things. I love that you have chicken, beef, jerk chicken, spicy beef, curry goat,
and saltfish and
ackee patty. You know, that's a new one. I love that.
Love that.
We wanted to put into patty what hasn't been done before, really.
I love that. I love that. And I think that you have also Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee that we gather that is your own line of coffee.
See there?
The other treat that we did not expect is the Devon House ice cream. Which
is a serious situation.
I would say there's nowhere else in the UK that has Devon House ice cream. You are the only place. You are the exclusive sole purveyor, and you know that Michelle and I love Devon House ice cream.
I need to bubble over here and check it out.
Have you seen the flavors, Michelle?
When it comes to the ice cream, is it imported from Jamaica or you actually make it here? Or
we make it here with the Devon House recipe. And at the moment, that's why we got 7 flavors. I mean, it's a bespoke ice cream.
It is.
So in order to get the other flavor, we've got to up the volume, which we hope to be doing, but we've only been doing this since July.
How long have you been open?
March the 24th.
And what has the response been here in the middle of busy Covent Garden in the heart of London?
Well, everybody just pass, see the nobody passed without saying, oh my God, Jamaica Patty card. Most of them have never stayed in a party, but we're out there to the public.
And they're open to trying it?
Yes.
And the response is positive? Well,
look at the reviews. We've got lots of great reviews about it.
We know, we've seen the press.
We've seen it everywhere. And
we've seen the press, yes. So what do you guys think of patties? Have you had them before?
No, I just, when I started working here, the first party, and I like that.
You like? So much. What's your favorite one?
Absolutely the jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Jerk and vegetable.
Vegetable.
Curry goat.
So we need to get one of each.
Everybody has something different.
Well, you know, we are all addicted to this.
You're addicted. Your patties are bigger than the average patty, we have to say.
Well, the whole point was, what our intention was to raise the profile of the Jamaican patty. We didn't want it to be a cheap snack anymore. It deserved to be more than just a snack.
So it's more elevated to a full meal, a more gourmet, a fuller experience.
With the quality. Because if we're going to serve it to the world, we've got to serve the best to the world.
Absolutely. Michelle and I agree with you 150%.
And what is your favorite Jamaican dish, generally?
My rice and peas and chicken.
Rice and peas and chicken.
Sunday dinner, anyway.
Every Sunday dinner.
With plantain, well, I have to have mine, plantain. And if pear is in season, a piece of pear.
So flaky, look at that.
Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Thank you. I love the bag. Have you seen the bag?
Look at the bag.
Even the bag is stylish.
How chic.
We just have our old time patty.
Yes, because our camping is good at it.
Old time something, come back again.